Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 13th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla seems to have bounced quite well on the support. So we are up $11.91, 1.7%, closed at 711.12. Post market, we are down by $1.13. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So yesterday we were pretty close, and it seemed like we had been bouncing on that green support right here. It was quite close, and we have some buying pressure at the bottom. There is some momentum to move the stock up. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So today we opened super low. So we opened at 676, but then the stock rallied pretty high, pretty fast during the first hour. We were up to 704. Then second hour went also super high, but then we were stopped. Look at this here. We were stopped at 725, came back down. But then there was staying power. There was staying power. Third hour came up. Fourth hour came up. Fifth hour, we stayed there pretty much even, and then we are caving in a little bit. Stochastic reached very close to 60, but we never got it. We never got it here. So that's pretty interesting that we never got it. And now the stock is coming back down. Coming back on the daily chart, from a daily perspective, the stock is bouncing on this support quite nicely. We have some selling pressure towards the end of the day, a little bit of caving in, not too dramatic, but it's still there. Now we are gaining back a stick over 60. We are not really gaining RSI yet, and the MI is still off. Interesting play right here. Interesting play. So let's hope that things are going to pick up a little bit more tomorrow. It's not impossible. Let's look at the VIX in the meantime. VIX, this is what did not help Tesla at the beginning of the day. So VIX, if we go on the hourly chart for the VIX, VIX started quite high. So this is what made Tesla open quite low. And then the VIX came back down quite far, and this is what made the Tesla go up. So right now, in terms of the VIX, we are at a very interesting junction. Look at this perfection. We have the bottom of the candle, the bottom of the wick that is right smack on our support, and the body of the candle that's quite close to this downward resistance. So the VIX is going to have to choose. It came below this upward support, then came back into it. Interesting to see what is going to happen tomorrow. If we see the VIX come back up and close outside, then maybe we are going to start seeing some downward pressure on Tesla. Stochastic is not very strong at 20, so I'm still hopeful that we might be coming down. This is what I would like to see happen. If you wish upon a star. So let's go see the Dow Jones, how it reacted. So yes, it opened lower, but still right on the support, still on this upward trend, but no stochastic. So maybe we are going to lose it. S&P 500, the S&P 500 is showing us a completely different picture. Completely different picture. So we don't have stochastic, and we have lost this here. We have lost this. I'm just going to want to do this congestion zone kind of thing. When we break a support or resistance, we need to look at next is, are we going to enter into a congestion zone? So if we are entering into a congestion zone, we are going to see S&P bounce on 3740. So maybe this is the transformation that is going on. So I'm going to just put that there, and we can look at this. Maybe we are going to have some downward action down to 3740 and maybe some sideways action after that. This remains to be seen. NASDAQ, that composite, still a nice bounce on support. And NASDAQ 100, also a nice bounce on support. S&P 500 is basically weakening more than the others. We need to check 3740 because right now, in terms of the technical analysis patterns, the Dow Jones and the S&P are not agreeing per se. Let's see if we cannot get some clarity tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.